Cases of HIV among young African-American men in Cincinnati are soaring.
Health officials call it a crisis, but as 9 News reporter Scott Wegener tells us, it's not easy for those infected to even admit there's a problem.
After decades of education and awareness about HIV and how to prevent it, the message still isn't getting through to everyone.
The highest number of new infections that we're getting are coming from African American men who have sex with other men.
And among those men,
we're very concerned that the majority of those cases are coming from men who are 24 years old and under.
That's exactly what brought these local healthcare professionals together this afternoon.
You can ask any kid that they know someone who has an STD or HIV.
They say the reasons black gay men are becoming infected at a greater rate than the rest of the gay population is cultural. A culture of denial.
We don't have gays in the African American community. That's just a white thing.
Young men are bombarded with images that may make them reluctant to admit they're attracted to other men.
It's really tough.
John Causey of Cincinnati tries to break through that barrier by taking to the streets, talking with young men and handing out lots of condoms.
A lot of times I go like on storefronts where a lot of guys hang out at and basketball courts during the summer.
He even makes sure the message of prevention gets through to his own 5 boys.
I have a bowl on my table in the living room with condoms in it.
And should you wonder why Causey is so passionate about protecting young people, it's because he wasn't so cautious as a youth himself.
I was so vain that nothing could happen to me. I mean, please, I was the last person that could get HIV.
He's been living with the disease now for 20 years. Scott Wegener, 9 News.
There is a public forum on this issue tonight at 6 at the Red Cross office on Dana Avenue.